Naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful, naturally beautiful. Why do we forget?
Hi YouTube family, it's your girl Love Kisses 99 and I'm coming to you today with a review from The Virgin Hair Fantasy. I'm doing this one a little different because I think that we should open this one together. I didn't want to do a sneak peek before I opened it on camera, and I'm trying to do this in real time so that we can get a real idea of how long it takes to install this Peruca. I am so excited about this one. As you guys know, I am an avid Virgin Hair Fantasy client, and I just want to show you everything. Now, this is the box that it came in. Really a nice box. You can definitely use this for storage, but here is the inside of the box. It comes with a hairband, and it comes with a little I forget what you call these things. I'm so excited. And then here is your information and thank you card, and there's also a card that shows different styles and all different types of information that you can use in order to keep your Peruca, which is a lace wig looking like new. So now for the unveiling. This is a 20-inch Yaki Texture. The texture really is gorgeous. It's not like a heavy Yaki to me. It's more like a light Yaki. And when I ordered, I made sure to say I didn't want a lot of baby hair and to go ahead and cut the lace off. And I'm really just now getting used to the Yaki Texture because usually I get something a little more silky or a little more straight. But as you can see, it came with the little sideburns cut already. So we're going to see how quickly we can install this one, or we can just put it on, because I hate install, because install is like when you're doing something else. Now there is the elastic band, there's an adjustable strap, and then there are actually 5 combs. Excuse me for saying 3. There's actually 5 combs, and then this is what it looks like. I have my brush, I have a comb, I have some styling mousse or gel, and then I didn't know if we were going to need it. I have my curling iron, and then I have some spray lace bond, which is kind of like, it's not really an adhesive, it's a spray. And then we have my little comb and brush thing that I use to go around the edges. I have my band, which I probably would just use my Virgin Hair Fantasy band. And in here is the band. These bands are fairly new and they're not super tight, so you won't get that headache if you wear it, just to, you know, lay your wig down. Now I just on under here I have my wig cap. I was trying to find the words. I don't know why I'm struggling so much with the words today. So this is what we're going to do. We're just going to put it on and go from there. This really is a quick install because everything was pretty much done for me already. So I'm just putting it on, and then I'm going to adjust it. And there we have it. It really is super easy. I really love the Virgin Hair Fantasy because you always get something that you can be proud of. You get something that's not a lot of work, and you get something that is totally wearable. And that's the thing. You don't want to get a wig, or like they say, a Peruca. You don't want to get it and then you have to do so much work just to wear it. And this one is glueless. I brought all my other utensils just to see if it was actually glueless. And honestly, it's the fit to me that makes it glueless. It's a snug fit, not tight, but nice and snug. So you can wear it without adding any adhesive, without adding any hairspray. You can just put it on and go, which is what we need. We need something that's easy to style, easy to put on. something that does not require a lot of work. We have busy lives, we have so many things that we already need to do, so wearing a peruca isn't anything that should really be too much work. Plus, if you like baby hair, you can ask that they add a little more, or if you like less, you can ask them to really style it for you without having to do any of that yourself. And also, these knots on this wig are they're lightened. They're not actually bleached. They're lightened, which to me gives it a little bit more of a natural look, because once you start with the bleaching, sometimes the area where the lace and your skin meet, sometimes it's a little brassy, and this one is perfect. It matches my skin perfectly. And any wig that you see, you can get it customized, you can get it exactly the way you want. I'm just showing you a bit of the parting space so that you can see that. You can part it along the side, you can part it down the middle. Lately I've been rocking it on with the part in the middle, because I'm kind of getting used to the middle part. Usually I would wear my hair with the part on the left hand side, which usually that's kind of like my jam. But yeah, here we go. You can see the unit itself. It's really honestly a beautiful Yaki texture. You don't have to straighten it if you don't want to. It really, in my opinion, it looks like maybe a silk press, or it looks like you just got your natural hair relaxed. That's the vibe that it gives me. And here it is right here. It really is something very easy to wear, and I just wanted to show it to you. And in the photos, you're going to see it's a little flatter at the top, so I just used my either my curling iron or my hot comb just to flatten out the top. But here I'm just using a little bit of styling gel. This is also from the Virgin Hair Fantasy. You can get all of your utensils and styling tools and styling products from them. They really have a full array of everything you would need right there on their website, and I'll put the website down in the information area so you have that, as well as a direct link to this unit. It really is super easy to wear. It's 20 inches of just beauty. I absolutely love it. And here I am, I'm using my super large curling iron just to flatten out around that part. I didn't really have to do much to it. It just needed a little bit of flattening, you know, from being in the box. And it really, I've gotten so many compliments on this unit since I first did this video. I've been wearing it, and I've worn it like maybe 4 times. And as you guys know, I really do like to switch up my styles quite often. But this one definitely is a leave it on and go. I don't really want to have to do too much work to a unit when I'm trying to get out the door. I don't want to have to go through all that. But yeah, here I am just using a little bit of that styling gel just to get that area together right there. But yeah, here she is. She's really absolutely gorgeous, easy to wear, tangle free, just really a beautiful, beautiful unit. And I am going to put one curl in it just with that large curling iron. So what it's going to do really is just bump the edges of the bottom, you know, the bottom of the hair, because it's the curling iron is so large, it's not going to give you a super tight curl, but you can curl it with a smaller iron. And I would suggest you use like maybe a hairspray on it and, you know, go from there. But I kind of like it like this. I don't want to put too many curls in it. I think it looks natural and it looks really pretty this way. But I did want to just double check and make sure that you can get a curl out of it, and you definitely can. And this here, again, it's really just going to create a bit of a bend at the end, because I'm not leaving it in too long. I'm just kind of going over just a couple small pieces just so that you can see how it looks when you use a large barrel curling iron. But it does work, and it gives me a cute little bend at the end. But again, I would definitely flatten out that top just to give it a more seamless look, because again, it's been in the box and I just took it out of the box. So yeah, we need to flatten out that top just a bit. So here she is. She's just absolutely beautiful. And for me, 20 inches comes down to about the start of my bra strap across my back. And yeah, there we have the little sideburns already done for you. Super, super easy. And I'm just adjusting the unit on my head, and there we have it. She really is a beauty, and I don't bring you guys anything that I would not wear. I don't bring you guys anything that I feel some kind of way about the company. I just really want you to enjoy a Peruca and a unit that you can wear easily without too much trouble. And again, there's my I'm so lost for my words today. I don't really know what's going on. Yeah, there's my hot comb, and I just used it again to flatten out that top a bit. And it flat irons, and you use this and it really works super easy. It's no issue. I've had no issue with any wig that I've ever had from the Virgin Hair Fantasy. I have quite a few of them. If you look back in my videos, you'll see that there are quite a few in there, but I absolutely love this unit. I really am growing real fond of the Yaki Texture. At first I didn't know if it would work for me, but it actually does, and I love the Yaki Texture. So yeah, there she is. She's ready for me to go out, and I just want to get you a close-up so that you can see. And I think part of the key with this unit is that the knots are lightened and not bleached. So there's the box again from the Virgin Hair Fantasy. So you can definitely use that to store other things, not just your unit. All the information for this one will be down in the information area. And here's my little band. I'm going to put this on. Not that I really do need it, but just to keep my unit looking good. So here we are, and I'm hoping you have an absolutely awesome day today. And definitely stop by the Virgin Hair Fantasy and check out what they have to offer. So yeah, here I am. And I'm hoping you enjoyed this video, start to finish, under 12 minutes. Bye, and I'll see you guys in the next video.